Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukairude. Madatsukairude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I adjusted the camber angle of 68 Baja and I just noticed the front tire, left front tire had the worn out on the outer side more, and unfortunately I saw some like a fabric inside the tire, so it's time to change the tire. But before doing that, I decided to measure the camber and adjust the camber. Some YouTubers actually they teach you how to do it, but I tried to do that, but I had some difficulty doing that, so that I just overcame that one. So that I think it's worth the showing that video. So this is how it went. So this is the 68 Baja bug, and this is really bad sign. I just noticed that this wire, not really wire, I think the string part of the tire is exposed. So this side is not really that worn out, but this side is really worn out. So this means I believe the camber angle is screwed up, and it looks really like a negative camber, this side. And the other hand, this side is not that bad, but it may be a little bit negative. So first I'm gonna lift up the car and measure the camber angle. Not really measure, it just the camber angle is supposed to be 0 for this car. So I'm gonna just put the level and double check the 90 degree or not. So fortunately I have the level that gonna actually stick to the metal, and obviously that guy is not really level, and this side is closer but it's not really vertical. So I think I'm gonna adjust the camber angle. So what I'm supposed to do is loosen this nut, and this guy is adjustment. It's like an off-centered hole. So if you rotate this, you actually change the position of this pin left and right, and this is how you adjust the camber. So I'll work on that. So this is 19 millimeter, but I cannot really use socket. I think I'm gonna go like this, and I don't think I can loosen this with just this length. So I'm gonna extend like this. Oh. I think I'm gonna lower the tire first. Okay, now the tire is on the ground. Let's try one more time. Okay, it loosened. Okay, now it's loose, and when I adjust it, I think it's better to lift the car. So I'm gonna work on the other side also. Okay, I lifted the car again, and hopefully I can use the tunnel lock to rotate this. It looks like I have to adjust it with the car on the ground, because otherwise the wheel gonna turn, huh? I mean the steering gonna turn. Okay, I gotta lower the car and give it a shot. Okay, I lower the car. Hopefully the steering not gonna turn. This is actually, maybe I need a large wrench rather than the tunnel lock. I think I'm gonna loosen the nut a little bit more. The nut is kind of loose. So I'm gonna put the penny loop on it. So I turn the wheel to get the more access. This guy is really hard. Huh. I may need to break this seized part. Okay, I'm gonna use this guy. Push this guy in. Okay. I push that hard. Hopefully this guy gonna push the pin out. Okay. Noise. Okay, now it should be loose. Okay, now it works. Alright. I'm gonna turn the wheel back to center. Actually turned well. Hopefully so now it's close to the center. Actually, this is the maximum I can go. So but I think this is fine. I gotta lift the car up and double check. So it's lifted and it looks like this. I think this is fine. So I'm gonna work on the other side also. Oh, actually, before doing that, I'm gonna tighten the that nut. Okay, I think I tightened it well. So I'm gonna work in the other side. So actually, after tightening the nut, I found this is not. This is actually now a positive camber. So I think I can loosen it and adjust one more time. Okay, now it looks like perfect. So I'm gonna work on this other side, do the same thing. So this side, it actually doesn't really crack. So it's really tensioned. Right now it's really difficult to turn. So I'm gonna heat up this and try to expand the outside, and hopefully that gonna crack the ceiling. Okay, this side is also cracked, and sorry, I was not really videotaping the moment it's cracked, but I think that what worked was the penny loop. So I just put the penny loop more and waited a little bit more. Heating, actually someone recommends to heating, but I was kind of timid and I was kind of worried about damaging the parts, so I just heated a little bit, as you saw, but it didn't really help. It might have helped a little bit. It's just a combination of the two, but the final crack was happened after I just waited for a while and putting the penny loop in the core part. So anyways, now I can adjust the camber angle. It looks almost center, but I'm gonna wiggle a little bit. Okay, this is going to outside. Okay, I think so. This is how I'm turning the big hex thing, and as you can see, that the bubble move right and left. Okay, I think right now it's center, so I'll try to tighten this. But on the other side, after I tighten this, that level actually, bubble position shifted a little bit. Hopefully that's not gonna happen on this side, but I don't know. I'm tightening now. Looks like it's fine. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna the tighten with the extension, but I think this is fine. So both sides I just adjusted the camber angle, and obviously I have to buy a new tire sets. Actually, rear tires are also worn out a little bit, so I think I'm gonna work on that, but that's not that big issue, except for the cost. But anyways, I found some YouTube video that actually that tells how to adjust this camber angle, but that guy didn't have trouble with twisting the big nut, but I had, and I found I have to crack open crack the seizing part with that how you call that, the opener kind of thing. So you really need that opener kind of tool, otherwise you are kind of stuck. Also, if you have larger wrench, that will probably help to do this job. But anyways, I hope my video will help you work on your bug, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.